Hello, in this video I will talk about the inheritance. So let me create a project here and let me name it inheritance. Okay, so this is okay and click finish. Okay, now project is here. Let's create a main function so class, and let me name this main. Okay, so package. So let me just delete this so that we will have default package. Okay, and then just click finish. Okay, now we have main method here. So I'm sorry, main class. So let me create a main method. So public static void main and string parameter string arguments. Okay, so now let me create a superclass and subclass. So let's say we will have a person as a class and a subclass of the person, which is student, because every student is a person. So whatever just specific to a student, we will keep that information in the student. For example, student ID. We cannot put student ID to person class because not every person uh, is a student. So not every person has student ID. So here, let me just right click and then new class. So first of all, let me create a superclass, which is person. Okay, and click finish. Okay, so this is the person class, and here let me also create so new class student. Okay, and then finish. Okay, so now we have student class, person class, and a main class. So for the person class, so let's put so private string, and let me say full name. Okay, so here let me just right click. Okay, source. Okay, so let me click on generate constructor, or let me just type here so that it is clear for everybody. So let me have a constructor. Okay, so let me say public person, and so the parameter is, let me say fn, meaning full name. Okay, so I will say full name equals to fn. Okay, and also let me have setter and getter. Okay, or will I need this? Okay, so let me just type here public get full name. Okay, so return full name, and also public. I'm sorry, I forgot to put the return type, which is string. For the setter, we usually keep it void set full name, and let's say the parameter is fn, also string fn, and full name fn. Okay, so now so student is the student a subclass of person? No, not at this moment. To make it a subclass of person, I have to put extend. Okay, extends person. Okay. Um, okay. So implicit superconstructor is undefined for default constructor. And it says must define an explicit constructor. So here we don't have no parameter constructor. So we should have that public person. Okay, let me save it. Okay, now it compiles. So here, let's say for the student, we will have a student ID. So public string, okay, public string. So let me say stid, student ID. Okay, so let me have a. So let me postpone those setters and getters, and let's say I will have a constructor. Okay, so public and student. Okay, so student. Okay, so this is no parameter constructor, and let's say we have also student. So it takes one parameter, which is stid. So let me say okay, so or just id parameter. Okay, so stid equals to id parameter. Okay, so now let me go to the main method and let me create a student class. Okay, so here I will say student, and let me say st1, meaning student1, new student. So we have student ID. So let me use this one. Okay, and ID is 123. Okay, but how will I know that this works? So let me just so let me use the information. Okay, so student. Okay, so let me also okay, so let me talk about the overriding also. So here, or let me do this. So public, okay, void. Let's say display info. Okay, so no parameter is needed. So let's say system out print line. Okay, so let's say name, and name is what? Okay, so here if I say full name, okay, let's say it will, does it work? No, it complains. What does it say? The field person full name is not visible. So this is full name, but there is no full name in student class because every student is a person. So a student must have full name, but I cannot access it. It is because the full name is private. So even if this is subclass of person, but from the student class I cannot have direct access to full name. If I make this protected, okay, protected, then the subclass have access to the superclasses variables. So now if I save it, okay, it worked. So here in the main method, let's say st1 dot display info. So let's see how this works. If I run it, okay, it says name is null. Okay, because in the full name, okay, so here display info full name is null, so we have not assigned anything to here. Okay, so I hope it is clear so far, and then we will continue on this code at the next video. Have a nice day.